Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and in this video we will unbox and review the Ellish Box March 2019 edition. This month we have a product from Manna Kadar and we also have two products of choice, and it's very affordably priced as always at just Rs 399 including shipping. So let's get started. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box looks like. As always, very pretty and quite sturdy as well. It says Ellish on it. The first product, as I told, is a star product from luxury international brand Manna Kadar. So here is the product. It's a beautiful coppery metal eyeshadow. It says step 3 and here are more details about the product. The eyeshadow shade is Aphrodite and this one will suit most Indian skin tones. It's a beautiful shade. And Manna Kadar products, as you all know, has really good quality. They are quite expensive, so getting them in an affordable box is definitely a big thumbs up. Then the second product of choice is this one. I chose this Paul Penders Handmade Nourishing Mascara Botanical Vegan 6 ml product. This is also a star product in my opinion because the cost of this itself is 1050 rupees. And it's a very good mascara. I have got it earlier in another Ellish box and I really liked it. So that's why I chose this. So here are more details about the ingredients and everything. It's pretty good and you do have other choices. I'm showing all the different choices available on the screen right now. The second product of choice was this. I chose this Nature's Scope Purifying Vanilla Hand and Cuticle Emulsion. It's for 185 rupees and it's a really good product. There were more expensive products in the choice options, but I really like this and this is something that I'm gonna use. So that's why I chose this. Both of these I'll be using myself and that is why I chose it. Here are the other options in the choice of second product. You can see a lot of good and expensive products as well, but since I already have them, I chose the Nature's Co one. Then next we have this hair care product from the brand Kamakshi. It's the Keshika Amla Bhringra's traditional Shirpak Vidhi hair oil. It's 100% pure and natural product, 50 ml size, and the cost of this is 300 rupees, so probably it's a full size. And you can see the key ingredients here. It definitely has a lot of good ingredients, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying this one. And the last product is from the brand Magic Dust. It's the chocolate body scrub and this is how it looks. It says organic, fresh, natural. Price is 550 rupees, expires in 221, and here are the ingredients mentioned. Since it has coffee powder and coconut oil, this is definitely gonna be a good scrub. So those are all the products in the Ellish box. They have also sent a complimentary color. It says Happy Holi, a small pouch, but definitely a great gesture. I did like receiving it. And there's a coupon code from the brand Kamakshi, the hair oil brand, and you can get a 30% off by using this coupon code. And finally the info card, it says Happy Holi and it's so colorful, looks definitely good. And there's a contest also. You can take a selfie with Ellish and here are more details about it. And these are the pricing details of individual products. As you can see, again 3 products are exclusive and I love this part about Ellish. They always get some first time products or exclusive products. The total cost of everything comes to 4,500 rupees, so it's definitely amazing. The product choices are also mentioned here. Overall, it's definitely a great box. I definitely liked it. It's value for money. It's so affordable. It's actually so much more than value for money. I loved it. The brands are good. The products are good and you have choice option and some luxury international brands also. So a big thumbs up from me. If you liked it, definitely go ahead and order it right away. All the details are mentioned in the description box below. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.